What?
Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph. I'm inspired by Prince Mason for this video. He brought his snoot out to create an amazing image, and I'm also bringing mine out to see what I can produce today. I'm going to be adding a bit of color gel so we can play with color. What I'm using for my main light is the NANLIGHT FC500, and on there is the gobo. So this is what is going to project the pattern onto our model. You see here in a second. And for our fill light, I'm going to be using a strobe. This is the Flashpoint 400 Pro. I'm going to bounce it into this white wall, and that is going to just open up the shadows a little bit on our subject. And even with that one, I don't want to keep it as a white light, so I'm also going to add a gel onto it. So on there, I have a cone, and I'm just going to insert my color gel and close it up. So it means that any light that's going to be coming from the strobe is going to have this color, and that's going to fill in our frame. So now with our main light, this is a bicolor light. So this is the NANLIGHT FC500B. It means that I can warm the light up or cool it down. And I'm going to be playing with contrast of color. So the one on here, like that slit of light, is going to be a warm tone, and then our fill light is going to be a cooler tone, so that we have that contrast between the light ratios. But with this gobo, I can fine tune how I want this light to appear on here. So currently it's like a very broad light, but I just want to get a slit on her face. So by moving these blades, I'm able to really position it exactly where I want it to be. And I think something like this looks good. You can also adjust the sharpness. So for example, right now it's blur, but as you can see right now, we have a lot of definition in there. So I think something like this looks pretty cool. And you can see that there's a little spill on the back, but I can just move this to, reduce it as much as I can. Right there. Okay, so now that I have this dialed in, I will take a shot so you guys will see how it looks. I'm using my CANON R5 with a RF 24-70 lens. My camera settings, I'm at 1/25 on the shutter speed, f4.5 on aperture, and ISO 200. So for my first test shot, it's just going to be this LED. And all right, so as you can see, we have this silhouette. It's a very beautiful image, and we have the slit of lights just on her face. I think I can bring it down a tiny bit more so that both of her eyes will be well lit. Yep. Come down a little more. Good. So now that I have that, I'll just turn it off and then turn on my fill light. And currently it's set to group B at 1/4 power, and then I'll take another test. So this is what we get with just a fill light. You can see that we've been able to color the background and even her skin tone a little bit. So if I combine these two lights now, this is what we are going to get. All right, yeah, same pose, chin down slightly. Yeah, that's beautiful. I mean, you can end here, it looks nice, but I also feel like there's some detail in the corset that she's wearing, and it would be nice if I'm able to make it show. So I'm going to bring another light. Okay, so now I've added a snoot onto my Flashpoint 600, and what that's supposed to do is just add a bit of light around this area so we can see the detail in the corset to see what we are working with. All right, chin down slightly, yes. So now we can see some detail in the corset, which is pretty nice. Now I feel like I want her to pop a little bit more, so I'm going to add hair light, and I'm also going to make that light warm so it matches the light that is going across her face. Okay, so by turning that on, this is what we have. Yeah, I love it. Okay, so now we have all of these interesting colors going on in the scene, and I even like the pocket of light hitting the backdrop. That's also adding another level of interest. Now that we've seen what all these lights are doing in the scene, it's just up to me working with Laurie to make sure that we get some interesting images. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, perfect. Bring your chin down slightly. Yeah. Ooh, that's very nice. Can you turn your body a little bit more this way? Turn. Yes. Turn. Yeah, and then just bring your face back to me. Yes. Yeah, that's nice. Ooh, that's beautiful. Bring your chin down slightly. Yeah. Now instead of looking at me, you can look in this direction. Yeah. One more shot. And then let's come back to you facing me again. Yes, yes, and then do it again. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. But turn your top to me. Keep the body where it is, but just turn. Yes. Perfect. Hold that. Oh, that's nice. But I'm not seeing that I want to see it a little bit. So maybe if you want, bring that in front and let's see what, yeah, here and open up. Relax your fingers. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what that does. Amazing. Chin down. Turn your body to me, the top to me. Turn, turn, turn. Right there. Yeah. Yes. And chin down. Yeah. Yeah, I love that. One more. Yeah, that's nice. Bring your chin down slightly. Chin down. Let me see. Okay. Let me just adjust the height of the light. Yeah. Okay, look down again, let me see. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Keep it, keep it, keep it. Don't change, don't change, don't change. Oh my God. Yes, right there, right there, right there. Chin down. Much better. One last shot. Okay, yeah, I think we have it. I think we have it. You want to go through and see? It's going to turn out like this, but yeah. And a little happy accident.
This was your pose idea, not bad.
But I was losing.
The color.
Yeah, because this one shows your shape a little bit.
I was facing you. I was getting to this.
But this is nice.
Yeah, this is nice.
This is nice. Okay. Thank you, Prince Mason, for inspiring me. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the images. I'll see you in the next one.